crackdown on black ticketing was carried out in Bengaluru during the IPL match between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Chennai Super Kings at Chinnaswamy Stadium on April 5th. The Special Enquiry Squad of the Central Crime Branch carried out a major operation leading to the arrest of 11 persons involved in black ticketing. Bengaluru Police Commissioner Seemant Kumar Singh emphasized that 7 cases were registered across the Cubbon Park and Chamarajapet police station limits. During the operation, police seized 28 tickets of various denominations, 8 mobile phones and WhatsApp screenshot printouts allegedly used to facilitate illegal online sales. The total value of the seized property is estimated at 4.53 lakh rupees. Within the Cubbon Park police station limits, 10 individuals were apprehended. Police recovered 18 tickets, 7 mobile phones and digital evidence of online transactions from the accused. Meanwhile, in the Chamarajapet police station limits, 1 person was arrested with 10 tickets, a mobile phone and WhatsApp screenshots linked to ticket sales. Police officials stated that further investigation is underway to trace the wider network behind the black ticketing racket. The operation highlights Bengaluru Police's intensified efforts to curb illegal ticket sales during the high-profile IPL matches.
The IPL matches which are going on, there were reports of some people selling online tickets on black, for which the CCB formed decoys, and they have arrested 11 individuals and recovered 28 tickets, which were valued very high in the black market. And we have arrested 11 individuals. 7 cases have been registered in different police stations. And in future also, we'll be keeping a watch on the social media as well as the apps which are there. And even if any information is there by any other person, we will keep a track and arrest them also. In another case, regarding the control of drugs, the anti-drug campaign of the Bangalore City Police, the entire operations which is going on today in Hepgodi Police Station limits, we have arrested a person, a foreigner, and recovered around 27 crores worth in the open market value of drugs. As per the NCB records, it is 13.50 crores, 12 kgs and 55 grams of MDMA. And in other police stations also, that is Yalanka, Newtown, Maiko Layout, Parpanagarara, Bagalur and Banaswadi, total of 27.42 crores worth of drugs has been seized. In this, 1 foreigner, 3 persons from outside state and 4 persons from Karnataka have been arrested. Investigation is going on to see that their linkages are there with any other person or any other gang is operating. We will arrest them also.